Hey guys, welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Today we're looking at two finance tools that solve different problems, Taxfyle and Dext, but both are built for your business. One is built to make tax filing painless and the other takes the headache out of expense management. Let's dive in. When we look at their main focus, Taxfyle's main focus is on-demand tax filing with licensed professionals, while Dex's main focus is receipts, invoice, and expense data capture. When we look at their AI capabilities, Taxfy uses AI that matches users with the right tax expert, while Dext has AI-powered scanning and auto categorization. When we look at what they are best for, Taxfy is best for individuals and businesses during tax season, while Dext is best for bookkeepers and businesses managing daily expenses. When we look at ease of use, Taxfy is simple. Upload documents and get matched with a professional, while Dext is snap, scan, and sync directly to accounting software. So they are both easy. When we look at their pricing, Taxfy's pricing is based on the pay-per-use per tax filing, while Dext is based on subscription and it has tiered plan and it also has by usage volume. So here's a breakdown. Taxfy is like having a personal tax assistant. Just upload your paperwork and a certified professional takes care of your taxes. Dex, meanwhile, is your daily finance helper, scanning receipts and invoices and syncing them into your accounting system automatically. But the takeaway is use Taxfy for stress-free tax filing on demand and use Dex for everyday automation for expense tracking. So if tax season is your pain point, just simply go for Taxfy. If expense management slows you down all year, Dex is the smarter choice. So which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget you can decide to use both Taxfy during tax season and the other for everyday automation. And do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more quick finance comparison only here on Twoguysfinance. See you in the next one.